Right now, this part of the state is getting hammered. It's flooded. I wasn't gonna fall trees, but I need to. I got a fire going, and I wanted to cut this tree down, that big guy right there. But about 50 feet, probably more than 50, maybe 100 feet, is the creek. And it's coming over here. That's why I got my boots on. So I'm gonna try and cut a couple trees down, but not over here. And I do need to cut down 21 more to hit my major goal of 75 trees. But while I was over here, I see these trees right here, which if I need to, I can be shady and count those as trees. I might, but let's see. I'm gonna see what I can do today. And if I'm not close, I might come back over here, because these have to come down sooner or later. Let's see if I can safely fall some trees today. Let's get to work. This right here is what I want to try and do today. That one cherry tree always scares me. I just want to get it down. And that tree hasn't counted yet, because I don't count it until it's down and it's still hanging. So first I want to cut this tree right there. Then I want to cut this one, and hopefully that will release it. I can hope. And I just hope that little nub on that cherry tree isn't going to hang it up too bad, and I'm assuming it's going to kick back. So I got to take it slow and be safe. Tricky tree. They're never easy for me. I'll show you what I'm working with. See, it's right up against that guy. So yeah. Don't snap back. I'm going to cut that guy into sections. and then work on those guys. So right now I'm at 20. I'm gonna cut this guy to hopefully fall him and that one. Son of a gun. Where it is. So scared it's gonna swing back and I don't want to get hit. Snap back. Let's see if I could chop it down. Oh yeah, this flipper should go soon. If it doesn't budge, it's because it's caught right there. Nope. smart either. But a lot of what I do isn't. Go. Just don't hit me. Still cut up on that cedar tree. Where's that gonna go? I don't know. Let me help you. Thank God. I was at the right place at the right time. That could have been bad. Hopefully it caught that on camera. I'm at 19 now. Woo. But thank God I don't have to about that Widowmaker now. 2 in 1. And I got a lot of cleaning up to do. Probably won't get any more trees done today. Because I think it's like 40 minutes until sunset. I'm at 29. And I got a flood over there. Today's a dang good day. But yeah, I'm going to kick this. I got to clean up. Erase the sunlight. Put that fire out and cover it back up. But I'm feeling a little more hopeful. Maybe if I come back in a couple days and we're not flooded anymore and the rain is let up, I can get some more good guys down. I appreciate all you guys, and thanks again.